My topic is loop in C. Loop, it is a block of statement that perform set of instruction. Means a loop executes the sequence of statements many times until the stated condition becomes false. A loop consists of two parts, a body of a loop and a control statement. The control statement is a combination of some conditions that direct the body of the loop execute until the specified condition becomes false. The purpose of the loop is to repeat the same code a number of times. So there are three types of loop in C: while loop, do while loop, for loop. But depending upon the position of a control statement in a program, a loop is classified into two types. First, entry control loop, and second, exit control loop. So what is the definition of entry control loop? A condition is checked before, please remember, before executing the body of a loop. It is also called as a pre-checking loop. And what is exit control loop? A condition is checked after executing the body of a loop. It is also called as a post checking loop. So the first loop is while loop. So definition of the while loop is: a while loop is the most straightforward looping structure. It is an entry control loop. Sorry, it is an entry control loop. In while loop, a condition is evaluated before processing a body of the loop. If a condition is true, then and only then the body of a loop executed. After the body of a loop is executed, then control again go back at the beginning and the condition is checked. If it is true, the same process is executed until the condition becomes false. Once the condition becomes false, the control goes out the loop. So here the example of while loop, while, and in between bracket it's condition, and open braces and close braces in between statement 1, statement 2. So my next loop is do while loop. Thank you.